Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue our first lesson of information technology. In previous lesson, we have learned about storage capacity, and in this video we will learn about primary memory. Dear students, the primary memory is also called a main memory. It is located inside the CPU. It consists of RAM, random access memory, and ROM, read-only memory. Random access memory. RAM stores data on which the CPU is currently working. Information can be read from the written onto the RAM. However, RAM is volatile in nature. The information stored in it remains as long as the power is switched on. As soon as the power is switched off, the information contained it lost. So, we have to copy data from RAM to secondary storage device. The storage capacity of RAM affects the performance of a computer too. The more the capacity of RAM, the faster the computer can work. RAM is further classified into static RAM and dynamic RAM. The static RAM SRAM retains its contents as long as the computer is on. The dynamic RAM DRAM loses its contents in a short duration of time even if the computer is on. Read-only memory. ROM is a special type of memory that holds the instruction for starting up the computer. It loads up the operating system and tells the computer what components are plugged into it. The data is written onto ROM at the time of manufacturing. Once written, it cannot be deleted or modified. ROM is non-volatile in nature, that is, the data is not lost, even if the computer is switched off. So dear students, in this video we have learned about RAM and ROM. So watch the video carefully.